Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, March 5th. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. And today, let's see if we can glean some hints as to where the S&P Emini market is going to go so we can pick up some dollars either to the upside or the downside. First, starting out with CNBC, the big news of today was the jobs report that was just released just a few minutes ago, coming in at, well, I won't give you the number until I go to the next screen. But here's the hint. Job growth surges in February above expectations. And here's the other piece of news that's going to move the market today. 10-year Treasury yield jumps to new high for the year of 1.62 after strong jobs report. Moving over to the next screen, the economic calendar for today. Remember, we always watch the economic calendar, look out for announcements of the day. Non-farm payrolls, the jobs report. Well, they haven't updated this page yet. Let me see if they've done so I can give you the number. No, they have not done so, but let me give you the news. The expected number for the jobs report was 210. That was the estimated number. That was the expected number. You know what the number really was? You know what the number came out as that was announced? 379,000 jobs added versus 210 estimated. That was a cause for, well, great for the economy, not so good for the stock market because that means inflation is knocking on the door and that drives equities to the bond market. Bond prices are going to go down, yields are going to go up. Let's see what happened yesterday in the E-mini market. If you were trading the E-mini market yesterday and you saw my morning video, you know that I said the information that I was reading on the screen indicated the news tended to be more negative than positive. And look what happened. Morning started out with a head fake, and I have two lines set up at the market opened at 9:30. And then over here at 4 Eastern time, the market started out, this is a 5-minute chart, with 10 points between each horizontal line. The markets opened up with a head fake to the upside of about 15 points, or well, a little less than 15 points, and then took a tumble from 9:40 to 10:15, took this tumble, and difficult to discern that this was a place to hop on to the negative side. If you jumped in the morning to the positive side and you picked up 10, 12 points, good for you, but there was no indication that was the true direction the market was going to take. So the market fell toward 37.90 at 10 o'clock, 10:15, reversed itself with a bullish engulfing pattern. And then from 10:15 on up to 12 o'clock, the market floated upwards, basically just clearing the opening of 38.34. But really no indication anywhere over here where to jump on. Possibly over here a rest period at 9:50 and then jump on for a few points, but it really was a weak signal. At 12 o'clock, if you were staying at your computer that long, that's the play of the day. That's when the algorithms kicked in and took the market from 38.40 at 12 down to 37.17, 116 points. Impressive. From 3 o'clock on, here's the 3 o'clock hour. Here's the 3 o'clock hour. Market basically did nothing, floated up and down 20 points, which was pale compared to the actual move of the day at midday from 12 o'clock to 2. So if you traded yesterday, maybe you made some money, maybe you lost some money. I didn't see any clear indications, although the market sentiment, as I read it in the morning, was to the negative side, and that proved to be true. And if you're looking for insights about how to trade the S&P E-mini market or micro mini market successfully and consistently, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. You won't be sorry. It's not expensive, and it'll save you a lot of grief in the long run. Have a great day. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar, Friday, March 5th. Have a great weekend as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.